शिरगांवच्या जात्रेक जाल्ली घडणूक सामकी वायट आसा. तथ्यांच्या आदाराचेर सरकार फुडली कारवाय करतले म्हूण आपणाक खात्री आसा अशें गोंयचे राज्यपाल PS श्रीधरन पिल्लय उलयल्यात. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
This type of people who are gathering, there are certain rituals also here. Brother taken by the people. After, according to my information, I don't know whether it is correct or not. On that day I visited here, I inquired. The people are, after taking bath from that sacred pond, then they are dedicating everything to the Devi. No, nobody can touch them also. In certain temples, that system is there. That is also there. So, but the limitations are there. We need not inculcate on research on that now. A fact-finding committee report is there. Further, anything is required also. Law is not helpless, and let the law take its own course.